institution, and we are where we are, so we have to figure how to make it work. It's tough.
I know. I mean, that the whole paradigm of Western education is evaluation, how to rank people, how to evaluate the student, and which contradicts with Lakota tradition of non-evaluation.
Yeah.
So how do you deal with this? Like education system itself, it's just
so much. Yeah. Try to figure out how you can build as much cooperation into the competition stuff as you can. Helping kids learn how to help others, and you have to be a strong part of that. Albert helped me. I do 90% of my classes are done in groups, and we do a lot of cooperative learning. But I say, if you don't do your part, you're not going to. Your whole group is going to suffer. So Albert always.
Albert Whiteout you're talking about.
Yeah. So Albert always taught me how in a Tioshbai, in a family, everybody had a role, and if somebody didn't carry out their part, the whole family struggle. So your job that day is to gather the little tiny sticks to make the fire. You don't do that day. Well, you got the person who did the big logs and the person who did this. You're going to have a hard time. So he gave some very traditional ways to help my students understand.
That's
Okay.
Yeah. So you said group learning?
Yeah.
What did you say?
I do a lot of cooperative learning in my class.
Cooperative learning.
A lot.
So
and collaborative. Everybody has to do their own part. If you're going to be a strong group, everybody has to do their part. So your person who doesn't show up and you don't do your assignments, your whole group does that. I also give individual grades in a group project.
Individual to individual group, you said?
For a whole group?
Yeah.
Not everybody's going to get the same grade. You don't all sink or swim together. So in a group, if your assignment was to carry out a project, and at the end of the day they said you were absent, next day you came, you didn't have the assignment, 2 days down, these people might get A's, you might end up with a C.
Even in the same group?
In the same group.
In the same group.
Yeah.
So in a way they are competing.
They
within
are.
the group, right?
Competing with themselves to do their own job is how I explain.
Oh, that's how you explain. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. You have to challenge yourself to do what you have to do so everybody can succeed. You don't succeed, not everybody's going to fail.
But that very reasonable way of explaining things, but they have to compete with same subject sometimes, right? Of course, same topic subject. You still have to evaluate whether A student, A plus student, B student.
Yeah.
So there's competitions always there.
Yeah. And
no matter how strong you propose the cooperation,
yeah, it's always there.
Yeah.
In everything we do, But I do a lot of things where people share their knowledge, they share their ideas, they work together. That's probably the highest evaluation marks I get, as I love the cooperative learning groups. I like how they were structured. I like learning from my peers. I like being able to sit in discussion groups and talk or work together to solve a problem or look at case studies. And
which subject is that, may I ask?
I do that in a lot of my methodology classes. And I do that within my multicultural ed. All the classes that I teach, I pretty much use that same model.
So you've seen that models. But other teachers do that same thing?
Within our department.
This is like your department sort of policy or methodology.
Yeah, right.
Cooperative learning.
Yeah. A lot. Okay. Collaborative learning, a lot of problem-based. We do a lot of problem-based, so we have case studies. And sometimes in a case study, I'm like, you're the parent, you're the this, you're that, you're the kid. So you bring in your perspective of it, then you come together to solve the problem. So
it's not only the Western paradigm of education, but you sort of bringing in this Tioshbai, very traditional.
Right.
Okay.
A lot of observation, a lot of reflection, a lot of respect. You don't always have to agree, but you have to be respectful. And
so in that sense, you are bringing in Lakota values to the classroom.
And I always take those forward, and I say, what does it mean for you to be generous? It doesn't mean you're going to buy lunch for everybody after class, or you're going to give them gas to go home. It means you're going to be generous of your time.
Yeah.
You're going to be generous with your talents. I learned a lot of that from Albert.
Oh yeah,
about
yeah.
what and Ollie always.
Ollie, oh yeah. Well, we are running out of time. You have to leave at 3, right?
I have to pick my grandson.
Okay. So, like some people, including Lionel, I think, and Stanley, over like all the studies, believes their own accreditation system, right? Again, they want to set up their own standard,
Right.
Nothing to do with NCA.
No.
How do you think about that? How do you respond to that?
I think it's going to be a while coming. I believe that.
You
but
believe that?
I believe we have to be able to be better than what that national standard is. I think we can do that. I think we can. I would never want it to be, and I tell this to President Bordo any other time, we can meet those national standards.
Yeah.
I just wish we had a different way of explaining how we do that, how we meet it. We can meet it if we had a different process in the way that we had, so that we would look at a different criterion instead of saying how much money do you have in endowment. They would look at it to say as part of that is what are you doing to keep your doors open and to educate people. And let us say sometimes we don't have everything we want. That's not a bad thing. It's a challenge, but it's not a bad thing. So I would hope that it would be more than, better than, and not less than.
Yeah, but still, maybe your department's doing so well, compared to national standard. Maybe you can say that, but university as a whole, I mean, is it plausible to think that way? What that will happen in your future? I mean, other departments perhaps not meeting national standard.
No. To have our own accreditation, I think there's a model out there, the WINHEC one, the World Indigenous Nation. I think there's some models. There's some models out there that we could look at. I think Lionel had this dream that when I came on board 20-some years ago, I'd had that all hammered out for him by now, or we'd have made more progress. And we've made some starts, but we're a long ways from being there. But I guess that's it isn't really the answer to your question, but I think it's going to be a difficult journey to get there, so they don't